Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make moi moi using your oven. If you're not Nigerian, moi moi is made from beans and it's one of a typical Nigerian staple that we have mostly every Saturday. So yes guys, if you want to see how I make my delicious yummy moi moi with the oven, definitely keep watching. For my moi moi, I prefer using the brown beans. Some people like using the black eye beans, but I prefer using the brown beans, also known as the honey beans. So first thing that we need to do is we need to pick your beans. Some people actually just go ahead and wash the bean, take off the skin, but I prefer to at least select it a little bit because most of the time there is always stone inside. So I'll be using about 2 cups of beans. And now I'm just going to pick the beans and make sure there is no stone, there is no dirt, something like this one. As you can see, there's a little bit of stone here. A lot of people are always worried about, like if you ask them, do you want to eat moi moi, do you want to make moi moi, they'll be like, it takes too much time to take off the skin. I'm here to break it to you that it actually takes less than 5 minutes. So I'll be using my mini processor. You can use a blender if you don't have a processor, that's fine. So I'm just going to put some water on it. So this is the beans. I'm just going to put it inside the food processor. Just add little by little. Then I'm going to add a bit of water. Just a little bit, not so much. I'm going to use the pause button here. Just a few times. The skin out. Everything is out. I mean everything is out. So we're just going to rinse it off and prepare the other ingredients for the moi moi. You see, I'm just rinsing everything out. This whole process did not take more than 5 minutes. I'm just going to put all the beans in the blender. So this is the beans inside the blender. So we're going to be using 2 paprika peppers, chili pepper, 2 scotch bonnets, and 1 onion. So we're just going to wash everything up and add everything into the blender. Guys, if you've watched this far, please subscribe to the channel, like, share this video, and guess what? It's free. You just have to click the subscribe button and share to your family and friends. Thank you. And next is for us to blend. After less than a minute, we've got a smooth blended beans. So for the moi moi, we'll be using some salt, seasoning powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm using the Benny seasoning powder because it's powder. I don't need to worry about squashing the cube. So I'm going to be using some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Some boiled eggs, and the star of the dish, crayfish. I'm adding boiled mackerel. I don't know if you can see. Try to put it in focus. Yes, I'm using this boiled mackerel. Everything is prepped. All we need to do is to mix everything together in a very big bowl. Then we'll put in the oven. Hey guys, now after prepping everything, this is time for us to assemble everything together. So I'm going to pour in our blended moi moi or blended beans. The moi moi is not yet ready. It's when it's ready, that's when it's called moi moi. Now it's just beans, blended beans. So we'll rinse everything out. Next, we're going to add, before you add any salt or seasoning, make sure you add your fish stock. So I'll be adding my fish stock because there's a little bit of seasoning and salt in the fish stock so that you don't over season your food. So now we've added our stock. Next for us is to add our fish. Oh God, this fish tastes so good. Just have a bite. The fish tastes so good. Next for us is to add our crayfish. We're going to add our oil. And we're going to stir everything in. And now, after mixing everything in, we're just going to test for salt and seasoning. Okay, so I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some of the seasoning powder. Just a little, not so much. So guys, before we continue this video, right, I have something very, very important to tell you. So if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed, what did I do to you? Did I offend you? Please click the subscribe button. It is free and it's going to help me grow as well. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. So please hit the subscribe button, share to your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really, really do appreciate it. The egg, like so. To the tray. And finally, I'm just going to put everything in the tray. Add a bit of hot water, not too much, but just a little above the line. And next, I'm going to put everything in the oven and cook for about 30 to 45 minutes on 180 degrees. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.